If joy had an enemy, its name would be comparison. It's sneaky. Every scroll, every success story you see online can quietly whisper, "You're behind." But here is a powerful truth I want you to hold on to. God never called you to compete. He called you to complete the unique work He has for you. Welcome back to Strive for Excellence, the place where we help you grow in faith, purpose, and biblical wisdom. Today, we dive in deep into a topic that affects almost all of us: the hidden cost of comparison, and more importantly, how to break free from it for good. Comparison almost always starts with that nagging question, why not me? You see someone else's success there, new car, their beautiful house, their thriving ministry, and the immediate thought is, they're so far ahead, and I'm falling behind. But what we don't see are the private battles they fought, the late nights they worked, or the seeds of faith they planted years ago. The Bible gives us some incredible wisdom on this. In Galatians chapter 6, verses 4 and 5, it says, each one should test their own actions. Then they can take pride in themselves alone, without comparing themselves to someone else. For each one should carry their own load. You simply cannot fulfill your unique calling while you busy staring at someone else's lane. You're not running their race. You're running yours. And your race requires your full attention. When you focus on your path, you start to see the specific obstacles and opportunities God has placed just for you. Distraction is the enemy of direction. Stay focused on your assignment. There's a very fine line between inspiration and insecurity, and the difference comes down to your focus. When you see someone succeeding, does it genuinely make you happy for them? Or does a part of you feel small? Do you celebrate their win? Or do you secretly start questioning your own worth? In 2 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 12, Paul writes, when they measure themselves by themselves and compare themselves with themselves, they are not wise. This is so profound. The danger of comparison is that it has a way of twisting healthy admiration into toxic envy, and it turns gratitude into grumbling. Think about it. It is incredibly difficult for God to bless a heart that is busy competing instead of being thankful. He can pour into a cup that is constantly being measured against someone else. As when your heart is full of gratitude, there's no room for envy. So, how do we break this destructive cycle? The cure is found in a single, powerful concept: contentment. Now, let's be clear. Contentment is not complacency. It doesn't mean you give up on your dreams or stop growing. Philippians chapter 4, verse 11 says it perfectly. I have learned to be content, whatever the circumstances. Contentment means you stop the endless comparing and start appreciating where you are right now. Gratitude is the key that shifts your entire focus from what you lack to what you've been entrusted with. Try this. Every time you feel the urge to compare, stop and thank God for one thing that's in your hands right now. This simple act prepares your heart to receive what's next. When you finally stop chasing people, you are freed up to start chasing your God-given purpose with everything you've got. Here's the fundamental truth that comparison wants you to forget. Psalm 139 verse 14 declares, I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. God didn't make a copy when He made you. He created an original masterpiece. You have a unique assignment, a unique timeline, and a unique anointing for the life He has called you to live. The more time you spend comparing, the less time you have to create. It stifles your God-given potential. But the moment you start to honor and embrace how God designed you, your personality, your gifts, your story, you unleash the creativity, wisdom, and confidence that comparison has been trying to steal from you all along. So let this be your reminder today. You are not late. You are not less than. You are exactly where God needs you to be for this specific season of your life. Philippians chapter 1 verse 6 promises, He who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion. Stop comparing your chapter to someone else. Chapter 10. Your story is still being beautifully written by the greatest author of all. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and share one thing you're genuinely grateful for in this season. If this video spoke to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Strive for Excellence for more weekly motivation. And don't forget to share this with someone who needs to stop comparing and start believing in their own unique journey. Remember, God doesn't bless imitation. He blesses authenticity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.